Hi, this is the HUAWEI NOVA 11 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere app from the app gallery. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere. Tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just click to allow, install. Ampere successfully installed. Tap to open. OK, yes, I agree. Tap to close. To OK once again. And we could see here information about battery health, and in my case battery is in a good condition. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.